Ithabu ria gucaria muhoneri wa giturwa kia president rungu rwa ngwataniro ya OKA no rithiete na mbere na kwaga anja thutha wa atongoria a ngwataniro ino aria megucemanitie mwena wa Naivasha kwaga kwanirira nu gakua bendera yao ya kuingira thingira wa iregi.
We as OKA will not unveil our candidate at this hotel. It will be a much bigger event in a much better chosen environment within the city of Nairobi. We are likely to unveil our candidate by the end of January. We are not yet at the mid of January. So we still have time. Be patient. If you are our supporter, continue supporting us and continue campaigning for us.
Kwaga gwikinyia kwa mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi mucemanio-ini uyu ni gwikirire njika kuria ngwataniro ino yerekeire ona gutuika kurekwo Musalia ngathiire mucemanio uyu kumana na yendekithia ria kamiti ya mwanya ria kuga Kalonzo niwe mwagiriru kurirukia bendera ya OKA.
And I do not think Brother Musalia is the type of person who would be wooed at night and not say it during the day. He says it as it is.
As far as I'm concerned, I am free to meet everybody. And if I meet that person, I will not shy away from telling Kenyans I have met Mr. So-and-so or Mrs. So-and-so or Madam So-and-so.
Kuringana na mendekithia ma kamiti no ikerekaria mbere yendekithitie mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka tamurirukia wa bendera nake Mudavadi ari munini wake.
We know that the political environment is getting fully charged and we are equal to that task. Where important decisions will need to be taken, we will never shy away from taking those decisions.
Mutige guikara ta mwena haraka ya gutengerio. Horerai tuikare hamwe kura citu cie milioni 6 kana 9 gatagati-ini hau gutire mundu kahota guthondeka thirikari twi hamwe tunyitanite kura milioni 9 haria tugekira kura citu twi hamwe hau neho thirikari ikagia.
Ikerekaria keri rikendekithia Kalonzo tamurirukia wa bendera mutongoria wa NARC Kenya Martha Karua ari munini wake na ria muthia rikendekithia Kalonzo na mutongoria wa Ford Kenya Moses Wetangula undu uria urekwo kurarakira Mudavadi.
Ithuĩ nĩ turacira kana nĩ tukwenda gutuika affiliate parties kana nĩ tukujoin OKA on the understanding ya uria omaikarite no cio no horo turarĩrĩria.
Imwe cia ithimire irekwo gutumika gukinyaniria matua maya ni mayo mako matha kura na hinya wa kĩmbeca gukiringithanio na ng'ethanĩri. Mendekithia-ini maya mothe Gideon Moida gwetetwo gukirikana gicigo giake nikigwatirwo ni munini wa President William Ruto rungu rwa UDA.
Munataka Musalia afanye kazi na kitendawili ama afanye kazi na hasla?
Uria wari governor wa Kiambu William Kabogo ni yakinyire mucemanio-ini uyu na Martha Karua wa NARC Kenya na speaker wa bunge ya kibũrũri Justin Muturi magituma arugamiriri yao.
We have a whole program in the next 20 days. We'll have more than 17 meetings, both meet the people tour and fixed stadium or marketplaces meetings. I know Kenyans are excited about this group, as you are. So really, give us a few days, you will see us on the move.
Githiurure kiria kiriho riu gikihe mweke mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga na munini wa President William Ruto mweke wa guthogothania OKA kuona amwe ya memba aria mari ciama-ini iria ithondekete OKA ni manjitie guthama. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.